All right, so I've got her in, and this is how she's gonna sit. I've got her loose. I'm not tightening her down because I got to fit my carburetor in between here. But I got my cable run. I got my side bolt in hand tight. You can see how this went together, maybe. The sleeve, then the hook wraps around, then the bolt goes in. You can see how the air nozzle had to be pushed in through this space here, but it goes in quite nicely. I've got all my wires tucked in off to the side, up and in here. I've got this hose clamped in down there. I've got this cable run. This is an extra cable. This doesn't come with the bike. This is for my lights. But I do have my negative run and plugged in, and you can see how I ran that through. And now what we're going to do is we're going to drop the battery box right in here between there and there. And it's right here right now. Same tools needed. Actually, this is the one here, 10 millimeter. You got your 2 bolts that go in here and there. This is your battery box and your hooks for your harness. It slides right in like so. I can actually show you this on video maybe, because I can maybe do this with one hand. Maybe. Maybe not. Okay, you get the point. I'll be back.